If you want to insert a SIM card into iPhone 17, then you need to prepare the SIM eject tool. Once you have it, we can take a look at the left side of the phone. By the way, if you don't know how to or where to get this eject tool, you can find it inside your box. So now we need to put it into this SIM tray hole that we can find over here. And then once you put it in, use a little bit of force and push it into that hole so that the SIM tray pops out slightly. And then once it pops out, you should be able to use your fingers or fingernails in order to completely remove it from the phone. There we go. This is how it looks like, and we can see the shape of the SIM card slot, so we need to match it. We need to properly insert it into this slot. There we go. And once you have it in, you can put the SIM tray back into the phone. Be careful not to drop the SIM card, and then just push it all the way in with your finger. Make sure that it is fully in, that it doesn't stick out or anything. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.